Hello everyone, my name is Roman Kornev, and you are on the channel about professional trading. Right now, we will discuss the news that you can make money on this week, and also I will show my reversal points directly on the chart about the MetaTrader platform. By the way, if you are just starting to learn the financial market, then be sure to take my course on trading for beginners, especially since you can get it for free by opening an account through the link at the broker in the description of this video, and replenishing it with any amount from $300. Also, watch the video till the end. We will discuss the news on Canada, which increases your chances of getting income in 2 times. So, let's get started. So we open the economic calendar and see a lot of news. I save your time, so I show the most important news at once. By the way, in order not to miss these news, you can subscribe to my Telegram channel. There, 30 minutes before the news release, I inform you about important news and we make money together. So, this week on Wednesday, there will be news at 10 p.m. Moscow time. The news will be the US Federal Reserve interest rate decision, and the current rate is 4.75% and the forecast is 4.5%. That means the interest rate is scheduled to fall, which means that if the rate goes down, the currency of the country where the central bank cuts the rate is likely to fall, will fall at the time of the news release. In this case, it is the US dollar. Accordingly, the US dollar will fall against all currencies. And let's look at the chart in the MetaTrader platform, on which currencies you can make money. Since the dollar is the reserve currency, so all currency pairs, all currencies are traded against the dollar. But the most popular currency pair where the dollar is traded is of course the euro dollar. So let's take a look at the euro dollar chart and how you can make money on it. First, let's do a little technical analysis. Look, I see a support line at the quote level of 1.03319. We can see this support line, but it is not quite clear where it originated from. In fact, if you look at the monthly chart, you can see that a few years ago, as far back as 2016, the price broke away from this level and formed a support line. And look, despite the fact that so much time has passed, i.e. almost 8 years, quite recently, the price once again broke away from this line. It's very surprising, but it's a fact, and you have to pay attention to it. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Look, as soon as the price approaches the support line, you can buy from it and make money on the growth. And you don't even have to wait for the price to get here, because you can place a pending order. The line is horizontal. This is very good. Those who took my professional course know the difference between sloping and horizontal lines. So here, you can just put a pending order, put take profit, stop loss, and generally go to bed and wake up in the morning and see that you have earned. Because when the price approaches the support line with a high probability, it will break away from it, go up, and we will make money on it. Note that we're waiting for an interest rate cut for the US central bank. If that happens, there's a high probability that the dollar will go down. And if the dollar goes down, it's 100% likely that the euro dollar will rise. So, if the price is near the support line at the time of this news, it will double the buy signal. That's a very good thing. So, watch. Subscribe to the Telegram channel to not miss this news, to make money on the euro dollar. Now let's take a look at the euro Australian dollar currency pair. This is a very good currency pair. By the way, you can run my trading robot on it. Look, the pair is in this wide sideways channel right now. I like to run my trading robot in side channels in buy and sell mode at the same time. In this mode, it works most favorably in sideways trends. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, be sure to write to me at the link in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free. Well, if you are trading manually, let's see what reversal points there are on this chart. Look, there is a resistance line at the top and a support line at the bottom. Accordingly, you can buy from the support line as soon as the price approaches this line. And from the resistance line, you can sell. Let me show you the reversal points. Here is a reversal point from the resistance line. And from the support line down here is a reversal point to buy. You can put alerts, you can put pending orders and make money on it. To be able to identify such reversal points yourself, sign up for my professional course. I look forward to seeing you, talking to smart people who want to earn. Now let's take a look at gold. The gold chart also shows us interesting signals. There are reversal points here too. However, I would like to say right away that gold listens less to, let's say, the resistance support line because it is a trend instrument, it does not listen to resistance support lines so well. Sometimes it breaks through them, but still, if that happens and a reversal point takes place on gold, we can make a good profit, because gold is fast moving and quickly gives a good profit. Look, here I have also drawn resistance support lines, the reversal points on them respectively. From the support line you can buy, and from the resistance line you can sell and make a profit. And finally, let's look at the dollar-Canadian dollar pair. As I said, I'll tell you how you can double your chances of making money this week. And let's take a closer look at this currency pair on a time frame, let's say a 30-minute time frame. What do we see here? We see that the price recently formed a resistance line on this zone that I'm showing. Then it broke through this zone, and now it plans to return to this zone and will face the mirror support line. So now this resistance line is going to turn into a mirror support line, and as soon as the price reaches this line, respectively, from it you can buy and make money on the growth. But note that there is a news release this week. Let's take another look at the economic calendar. Look, on Tuesday at 16:30 Moscow time there will be a news. The consumer price index and the previous change was 0.4%, and the forecast is 0.1%. That means a decline, which means if the news is confirmed or confirmed, even better, it will be worse than predicted. It will mean a decline in the Canadian dollar. That is, the probability of a decline in the Canadian dollar will increase dramatically. And since the Canadian dollar trades in a dollar-Canadian dollar pair, that means that a decline in the Canadian dollar will 100% lead to a rise in the dollar-Canadian dollar pair. And since we are waiting for the rise of the Canadian dollar, or rather the dollar-Canadian dollar pair, from the support line, that means we are already waiting for the rise. If the quotes of this currency pair at the moment of the news release will be near this pivot point, it will double our chances to make money on the growth of this currency pair. So, set yourself an alert, put an alert, subscribe to my Telegram in the end. I alert 30 minutes before the news. If you see the news coming out and the quotes are in the support line area, it is a very good chance to make money. Newbies in trading, looking for or creating their own strategy, can be helped by my reversal points and signals. By the way, I have a VIP channel with my selected reversal points, which I publish several times during the week and give you the opportunity to earn better. So, if you want to use such signals, write to me in Telegram. I will tell you how to get access to this VIP channel. These are the reversal points and news for this week. If you liked it, give me a like. Tell me, write in the comments what currency pairs you trade. I wish you a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye, everybody.